Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we are going to see how to delete the tables row on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. To delete the table rows on your Google Docs, just first insert a table. I just going to insert by using all this option, and I just inserted a table. If you want to delete a particular row, just click here. For an example, my row, I just typing here as my row. So I just want to delete a particular row, just want to click that, then just click on the right click option here, then you can see the delete row, the row will be deleted. For example, I just going to insert a row, just right click here and insert a row above or below. So I just want to numbering the row as 1 and here 2. So you can click any cell on the row, particular row you want to delete, just click on delete the row by right clicking here. So this option is used to delete the row. You can click any cell or any rows that you can easily delete the entire row by right clicking on it, and you can undo the option. Try this. Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.